What's going on, my Longwing Bald Ducks? Today we are going on my first spear fishing adventure ever. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've watched a couple YouTube videos, but we're just gonna get out there and we're gonna make things happen. That's the beautiful thing about life is, you know, you show up, you give it your best effort, and sometimes you win and you know what to do the next time, and sometimes you lose and you know what to not do the next time. So let's get out there, let's go have a good time. Without further ado, nature's wild, let's go hang out with it. All right, so down there past that lump, that little hill, that's town where we live. There's a kind of a main road here. I want to go all the way down to that point and possibly around that point. I saw that there was some bays over there, and I think there would be some really good fishing, spear fishing. So lots of rocks, nice little kind of coves and stuff. So we're gonna punch down there and go check it out. All right, we just made it down here. Pretty beautiful spot. You got some mountains up here, and then town's back that way. Yeah, I think we're gonna hop in here and see what there is. I see a light blue spot and then it gets darker right here, so clearly there's a transition period. All right, here's my first ever shot and miss. Gotta reload the gun. I'm just trying to get the aiming down. There's no sights on it or anything, so just trying to get the aiming of the back to the front, line it up, hit a fish. I take another shot here, but I was a little far away. I'm still gauging how far that my spear will go. Here's a nice little school of fish, looking good. Some mullet in there. Those are the ones with the yellow tail and the stripe. Just really excited to see some fish and be down in the water. Not sure what these are, just a big school. There's a puffer swimming around in there. Yo, I forgot to record, but look what I got! Woo! So, maybe not as hard as I thought. I think this is a good fish. I don't know what it is, but it's a nice size. It'll give us something to eat. I'm gonna look it up, and if I get a fish on accident and don't know what it is, because I've been looking up tons of different identification websites, and it's just really hard. So I don't know, figure out what this guy is, and if I shouldn't have killed him, I won't kill him ever again. I saw a ton of them, so must just be a reef species. That back. His meat looks pretty good. Kind of want to use this as bait later. Some guts. I'm just de-gilling them. Just following along here. You want to come through and up. Oh, there you go. And then straight down. Just kind of follow the gills. Oh, that one came up a little bit. There's the gills. Huck those out there, feed the fishies. Yeah, I think we'll clean this guy up a little bit and get back to the house and do a little catch and cook. Be-gilled. He's looking good. All right, so this is a golden trevally. I think that's how you say it. Cleaned it up pretty good. I think right here we're just gonna make a fire pit. So we're gonna go collect rocks, we're gonna collect wood from around the property and kind of set up a fire pit area here or maybe over there a little bit. All right, so I'm just digging some dirt up, trying to make a flat spot, make a windbreak with the rocks, just kind of defining a fire pit. Oh, that looks real good right there. Now we're gonna put this big guy. This big guy right on the side. Right there. Oh, that looks good. Put this rock underneath it. Dump some dirt under it just to support it a little. There you go, it's coming together. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna just take this dirt right here and just dump it on the back side to give it a bunch of support and makes it lifted off the ground a little bit. So when I come here, I can be working, you know, squatted down like chest high. This front side, I'm not worried about filling in the gaps here because after a fire or two, all these rocks are gonna get filled in with ash. So it's more, you know, just get a solid base in here. All right, so this is kind of end goal of what we want. We'll get a bed of coals, push it all to the middle, and then we'll let that fish cook for a little bit. But that's why you do stuff like this. I don't know, I've like built fires and stuff, but like not long standing fire rings that I'm gonna cook off of. It's usually like a one-time makeshift use. So I don't know, probably just get some really big rocks to boom, 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 like 4 or 5 of them, call it a day. Let's cut veggies. Let's make our side stuff. We'll get the fire started. Kelsey's on the way back with some firewood. We have some here too. Shouldn't be too hard. It's super fucking dry here. All right, so we have some leftovers here. We're just gonna hit this pepper real quick. Chop that up. Who cares? Just throw that in the yard. Come down here, hit this real quick. Boom, 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 boom. Just give that to we'll give this to the chickens. We're saving stuff so we can go feed it to the chickens. I'll link the episode right above of the last episode where we went and saw all the chickens. That was really cool. But we'll hit this, boom, boom. Not the freshest pepper, but we also don't have electric and AC right now. So we'll eat this up. It should taste just fine. Throw that in there. It's not the freshest lime. Hit that in there. Boom, boom. A little boom. Give that to the chickens. Do a boom, 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 boom. Just a real rough chop. Bust that down a little bit more. Do a real rough chop here. And garlic in. So that's kind of our rough pico we got right here. Start off with a knife. Call it a day. I mean, we got fish, we got tortillas, we got a little bit of chili verde. We actually have some beans that we'll put with this, and we'll call it a day after that. But without further ado, cheers to you guys on a great day before we start cooking. I would have taken a lime after that, but the lime's in there. Let's collect some firewood. Oh, there's a bunch down here. Well, that'll be a good starter right there. Look at that. That's an awesome starter. Collect some of these before Kelsey gets back. When Kelsey gets back, I'm sure she'll have a decent amount. That'll be good enough to get us started. This will look cool up by the, this piece will look cool up by the skull. Some jagged pieces around the skull there. Small stuff there. I hear Kelsey coming up, so I'll see what she's harvested. Hell yeah, girl. Think she'll make it through? Let me move. You got it. That's what's up. Nice work, girl. Little dog on the back. That's Bean. What's up, Bean? Check that girl out. That's a decent amount of wood right there. We definitely have enough wood for this.
We found a good spot.
All right. Let's not do what Andrew's best at and overload the fire. Oh, yeah. 2 Y sticks just for fun. Throw that all right in the middle, support it. Boom, boom, boom. Just up. All right, we're gonna let this just burn down, get a bed of coals, throw the fish on, but let's go prepare the fish. All right, so we're just gonna make some simple cuts here. Just boom, 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 boom. Just like everyone does it. Again on this side, boom, 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 boom. We don't care too much. Hit it with some olive oil. Rub that in real good. Get in the cracks and everything. And then I need to dry my hand off. Hit it with a bunch of salt. Boom, 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 boom. Hit it with some pepper. It's a lightsaber electric pepper grinder. Pretty awesome. This will all probably fall off, but hey, you're trying. Hit with a bunch of garlic powder. Flip her over. Exact same thing on the other side. Check on the fire. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Boom. Bed of coals. Real easy. Nice bed of coals right there. Should be hot enough to cook on. Tortillas, zapacato, fish. We're just gonna let that sit in the smoke on the fire. Let her cook for a while. Ooh, fish is cooking a little bit here. Probably a little bit more than we want. Try to kick it down with the shovel. You can always pull that off if needed. There's donkeys sprinting down the road. You gotta find the right square. Pull it on over a little bit. It's kind of sitting directly in the fire. We don't need that. Let's go see our neighbors. Hola, bro. Yeah, those are our neighbors. They just hang out over there. Run around screaming. Screaming a lot. We got some more coming right over here. Let's see if we can hide behind these boulders. Wait for him. Fish is cooking good. Oh, he's right there. He's right in the trees. We gotta get down. Oh, there he is. He doesn't see us. He's too stupid or drunk. That's our friend. If I could tell them apart, I'd give them names. Well, I can't tell them apart. Let's go check on this fish. Yep, that's just what we're looking for. Oh! I threw sand all over the fish. Dude. Yeah, I'm not sure where to even put this. I need this is searing hot. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. I'm so dumb. I mean, we could clear this off. This will cool pretty quick. What do you do when you're dumb? This is not great for the cooking process, but it's necessary for the fish. The backside's probably, the backside's pretty well cooked. That meat's pretty much done. Damn, that's good. That is really good. Mucho bueno. All right. Let's quit fucking up. Dab this down with a couple paper towels. Oh, no. God damn it. You say quit fucking up. And you fuck up. The other side was pretty good, so I'm not too worried about how this is gonna taste. Yeah, on that head. All right, let's go back to war. Somebody will eat that in the yard. It's okay, guys. It's just an ego. Always a bruised eagle, I feel like. Maybe that's why you just don't have one. Oh, pot of veggies. All right, we're upgrading the cooking situation. Bringing the chef's chair over. Boom. Work smarter, not harder. Ooh, look at that. Boom. White meat. Muy delicioso. Lube it up real good so it doesn't stick. And in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, look at the top of that. That's looking really good. I need to like wash all these rocks off so I have somewhere to set something. Let's try this out. Oh, looks pretty good. I hope that's showing up on the camera as good as it is. All right, first kind of real big taste of my first spearfish caught fish. Golden trevally, something like that. It's pretty fucking good. Definitely pretty good. It's almost like chicken. It's almost like chicken. It's a dense meat. Not fishy. It tastes like grilled chicken. Hey girl, yeah? Can you vouch this tastes like grilled chicken? There's a big old piece. It's pretty hot. Yeah, that doesn't taste like grilled chicken.
Oh yeah, that does.
That's really good.
Yeah.
This might not even make it to the tacos. Bueno, bueno. She's doing a happy dance.
Bueno, bueno. Bueno.
I'm not like overly experienced in ocean at all. Definitely a noob. You don't see, I tried something that they said, oh, it's very difficult. You need all this gear. Dude, I have a decent gun. I have Walmart gear. And I went out, got this fish. We're out here. We got here, didn't know anything. We just moved. We sold everything on a whim. We didn't know how to do anything. We literally, every single day, go out and try to figure out how to pay bills, how to get our water turned on. Bunch of stuff. So, you can do it too, because I did it. I ain't even that smart, clearly. I just go out and do things. What do you think of this fish? You like it, buddy? All right, here we go. We got the nice warm tortilla. I'm gonna throw a little fish on there. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Definitely some peppers and onions. A little avocado.
Buddy.
And then a splash chili. Oh shit. It's just gonna drip down the side of the can. That's just kind of what it is. All right. Here we go. A long day, a good day, a day of not knowing anything, but still being successful. We walk out with a W today. We're having fun. We got dogs barking. We got donkeys racing down the street. We got fish in our tacos. We're happy. We're going to have a happy belly. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Mmm.